Hi friends, welcome to Spaceopedia. Spaceopedia presents number 29.
Hi friends, welcome to Spaceopedia. This is our 29th video. In yesterday's video, we see about Neptune, and in today's video, we will discuss about minor planets, means minor bodies. So, let's start the video. Minor bodies. Billions of rocky and icy objects orbit the sun, some weaving paths between the planets, but most orbiting further out, called minor planets. They are leftovers from the solar system's formation, and many are fascinating worlds in their own right. There are minor planets scattered throughout the solar system, but most fall into groups that share similar orbits. The nearest sun are asteroids, which are mostly made of rock. Further out, the minor planets tend to be icy. Some minor planets have their own moons and rings, and very largest are roundish in shape and classed as dwarf planets. The most famous of these is Pluto, which was once considered a planet. Haumea. Haumea is a dwarf planet which is egg shaped rather than round. Its shape is too small to see with a telescope, but astronomers figured out by studying now how it reflects different amounts of light as it rotates. Haumea has two moons, Hyakka and Namaka. Ceres. Ceres, the largest asteroid, is so big that scientists consider it a dwarf planet. This is 950-kilometer wide body, is battered, rocky world, but it has icy patches on its surface and sometimes releases water vapor into space. In 2015, NASA's Dawn spacecraft became the first one ever to hit Ceres. Eris. The dwarf planet Eris was discovered in 2005 and is larger than Pluto. It belongs to the group of scattered disk which is made of icy objects, and we called it Kuiper belt. Pluto's surface. This is the image of artist's impression of Pluto's surface. Artist's impression means it is just imagined. Since Pluto is so far from the sun, most substances that are gases on Earth are solids on Pluto. The very thin atmosphere on this dwarf planet probably freezes and evaporates with Pluto's changing seasons. Let's take a look at our solar system. Asteroid belt. Most small rocky bodies orbit the Sun in a belt between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. The largest known asteroid, Ceres, is classed as dwarf planet. Trojans of Jupiter. Two clusters of asteroids known as Trojans and Greeks share the same orbit as Jupiter. These two clusters are present in Jupiter's orbit, which are just opposite from each other. Kuiper belt. This is the image of Kuiper belt. This group of icy bodies forms a belt extending 30 to 50 times further from the Sun than Earth. Pluto is the largest known member of this Kuiper belt. New Horizons mission. NASA's nuclear-powered New Horizons spacecraft visited the dwarf planet Pluto and its five moons in 2015. After its encounter, the 400 kg craft set off towards other Kuiper belt objects to improve our knowledge of these dim and distinct worlds. This is the image of New Horizons spacecraft. Size. Though small relative to Earth are the planets, and we will see the biggest to lowest. First is Eris. This is the image of Eris. Pluto. Image of Pluto. Haumea. Image of Haumea. Make. This is just the name of that minor body. Don't think that I made it. It's so funny. Make. This is the image of Make. Ceres. This is the image of Ceres. Though small relatives to Earth, minor planets rival the solar system's moon in size. Five are recognized as dwarf planets: Eris, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. However, there may be hundreds of objects beyond Neptune that could qualify as dwarf planets. Oort cloud. Beyond the Kuiper belt lies a roughly spherical cloud of icy bodies that probably stretches a quarter of the way to the nearest star. Many comets are likely to originate from this planetary deep freeze. This is the image of Oort cloud. So let's see some fast facts. First, Earth's moon weighs about 6 times more than dwarf planet Pluto. Second, the average temperature of Pluto's surface is about minus 230 degrees Celsius. Third, Pluto needs 248 years for completing one revolution around the Sun. Fourth, the first object behind the Pluto was discovered in 1992. Fifth, the Oort cloud may contain over a trillion bodies larger than 1 kilometer wide. So friends, I hope that you all should like this information and the video. So goodbye and take care.